welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica. Today I have my Partners in Cream first update for you. This was created by Steph and Delyn. They're both going to be listed down below. Steph is kind of going it alone this year because Delyn just had a beautiful baby girl. So she's kind of on a short hiatus for however long she needs to be, you know, doing her new mom thing. And congrats to her. This project is in its third year. It is all about non-powder products. You know, Partners in Cream is a beautiful name. It really is. It makes me laugh every time I hear it. And, you know, stuff with a higher moisture content definitely goes off a little bit quicker. Bacteria can get into it and do its thing and destroy your makeup. So, yeah, it was a brilliant project idea. I have been doing this since the very first year, and I will be doing it every year that it comes back because it's absolutely brilliant. So there should be a playlist down below or some kind of information so you can find everyone else that has joined in. If you want to join in, it's open. Just, you know, sign up and join along because panning is much more fun when you can do it with other people. All right, let's get into my products. I only have 5 in for right now. And this year I'm doing no usage products. I am doing everything to finish this year because I do have an ultimate goal for the year to finish $5,000 worth of product. So it makes more sense for me to get her done, so to speak. Let's start with how I put them in order. The first one is the Bobbi Brown Cream Shadow Stick in the shade Shore. That is a tongue twister. I'm going to pull this off. You can see the lines here where I started and where I am now. This was originally poking up out of here, and you can see that there is definitely some usage in there, but there's plenty of product left. I really like this one a whole lot. I got this in PR, and it's definitely one that I really enjoy using a whole lot. I would be interested in trying some of their other colors. This one's really nice, and if you just want to do like a basic look, this is great. Like one shadow look, you can get away with that, and I'm enjoying it a whole lot. Next is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in Maple. I don't know why I have a hard time saying that. Very little progress on this one, but there's a little tiny bit from here to here. It is what I have on my lips today, and that is what she looks like. My measurements is with the plastic piece up because I will, you know, take out the product until it is all gone, even the base of that one. So, yep, I'm going to be working on this for a while, but I really wanted to put Bite Beauty in because I keep hearing people say because it's a more natural product that it's more likely to go off quicker. So I would like to use it while I still can. Let's see. Next one is Urban Decay 24/7 Velvet Glide On Liner in Black Velvet. That song is going to be stuck in my head now. That's what I have left. I have it right here. If you see this line up here is where I started, barely on the page, and now I'm down to here. I am making really good progress on this. Unfortunately, it is not in my basket for this month, so I don't know that my progress next month is going to be quite as good. I am allowed to reach for it in my basket, but it is not a focus product, so I'm probably going to use it very minimally over the next month. If it goes into my basket for March, I will have like, you know, 9 to 10 days to play with it before the next update, so we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. I have 3 black eyeliners that I'm working on right now. So, you know, it's going to get done. I wear black eyeliner a lot because I own a lot of them. Not because it's like my favorite thing in the world, but because I happen to have a whole lot of them. So it is what it is. Next up is going to be my Mally lip gloss. This is the Mally's Look High Shine lip gloss, and tiny bit of usage from here to here. It definitely goes up with a twist, and this is not in my makeup basket either, so you know, it is what it is. It's going to get progress on it. And then the last product is the e.l.f. Smudge Pot in Cruisin' Chic, also not in my basket this month. It is still at the 23 grams. I did use it a little bit in January, but honestly, I was reaching more for the shadow stick from Bobbi Brown over this, and you know, that's the way she goes. This is none of the products that I showed you today are in my makeup basket except for the shadow stick, which is the one I was reaching for anyway. So this is probably going to have good usage on it for the next update. The other products, probably minimal usage, but I might get a little bit on those products. But expect good progress on the Bobbi Brown shadow stick. Again, Steph and Delynn are going to be linked down below if you want to go check them out. Lots of people have joined in. This is a very, very popular project. And if you want to join in, please do. We would love to have you on this panning journey. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.